What is going on, everybody? Today we have here a 2008 Honda Civic, and so this car came in because the belt it had no belt. So as you can see, all of this is part of the old belt. So usually when a belt snaps or is torn apart, is usually because there's something wrong with one of the pulleys. It's either locked, or could be that the belt it's already worn. But I always check all of the pulleys, make sure they are rotating freely. And so when I was checking the belt tensioner, I came across that it was very wobbly. It was moving, it had a lot of movement, and I believe that the belt tensioner caused the belt to rip apart. So I replaced the tensioner, but since it didn't have no belt, so I didn't know the rating of the belt, I went online, searched for the rating belt and for this 2008 Honda Civic, and I came across one. So I tried it. So when I brought it, the belt was too big. So this is the one that I got first. So I returned it and I told them. So then I came to find out that the problem was the routing. So there are two different routings. I guess depends on the model that you have, or a different pulley that is bigger or smaller. So if you don't have your belt, so these are the two routings that you have. Or if you have your belt, so make sure that you make a drawing of it. That way you don't get caught in the same problem that I had. So this is the part number for the Continental, and so this is the one that worked for me. I was using this drawing, but it didn't work, so this is the one that worked for me. Alright guys, well there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.